Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about future continuous tense. You know that future continuous tense is very important tense we do use while speaking when we are talking about the actions that will be ongoing in future. We use future continuous tense. So today we will discuss the future continuous tense with all concepts and before starting that, I would like to request you that you people have to subscribe my YouTube channel and like the videos. You will be able to watch the upcoming videos and the videos that are existing already on my channel. So we are starting future continuous tense now. What is future continuous tense? You know that the continuous, we already know that continue mean the action, the work that is ongoing, means that is in progress. We can say that is continue. Now future continuous, future means we know that the work that is going to be happen in upcoming days, upcoming months, upcoming years. Now the work that will be continue in our upcoming days, upcoming hours, upcoming years, upcoming weeks, this is what our future continuous tense. Okay, now we will have the definitions of the future continuous tense. The future continuous tense describes actions that will be ongoing at a specific point or during specific period in the future. Means that the work that will be continue in a specific time in future, and you are talking about it today on the spot of the time at the time. For example, I'll say that I will be playing football at 9 p.m. by tomorrow. If I said that, means that I will be playing, I'm using future continuous tense, right? It indicates actions that are expected to happen continuously without interruption. Okay, this was the definition. Structure: the structure of future continuous tense is that formed using the auxiliary verb will plus be plus present participle ing form of the verb. This is structure. You can say that subject plus uh, subject plus will plus be plus ing form of verb plus object. Okay, this is what the helping verb, the structure of future continuous tense. We will have the example, then we will come to know about. For example, in this sentence, I will be working, she will be studying. This is a very simple sentence with the subject and verb. Subject plus verb is here, object is not there. We can add object. I will add object for you people now. For example, I will be working, I is subject, will be working plus in the in the structure we have verb will plus be plus present participle. Will plus be plus working, this ing form of verb is present participle also. Okay, she will be studying, this is another example. So this is what, these are the examples of future continuous tense. If we add object to this sentence, I will be working, uh, I will be working tomorrow at 7 o'clock. This is what one example. Got it? So very easy. Use. Where do we use to talk about actions that will be in progress at a particular time in the future. It's already done. Okay, used to discuss future events that are temporary or expected to last a limit for a limited duration. Means the action that is expected to end or last or limited duration, for a limited duration, that will be continue but it has to be closed. Often used with time expressions such as at this time tomorrow, this time next week, etc., etc. This is another use of present continuous, future continuous tense. Examples we have: at 8 p.m. tonight, I will be watching a movie. Or you can use I will be watching a movie at 8 p.m. tonight. You can say. This is example. And this time next month they will be traveling to Europe. Example, by this time tomorrow she will be finishing her presentation. This is another example. So I hope that you have understood. These were some examples, and we could understand that the structure, the usage, and example. What are the examples we could come to know about? The first thing is will plus be plus ing form of verb. We have to keep in mind subject and object are part of each and every sentence. You know that we have to put subject is doer of an action. In positive sentences it will come in the beginning. After that we will have verb will be plus ing form of verb. So after that we will have object, any object we can put. For example, I will be making, I will be creating some more videos in next video, in next uh, time. Likewise you can make. So I hope that you have got each and everything. You people have to watch these videos, these important videos. And if you are new to the channel, again I am saying you people have to subscribe. It will promote my channel and you will be getting the upcoming notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.